I love what I do. I have the best job on planet Earth. It's such a privilege to wake up every day and work in a place where I'm surrounded by so many smart people, so many talented professionals. You know, heart surgery is one of these amazing things where it is about one of the biggest endeavors we do in humans, but it can provide such a benefit to folks. It's life-changing, you know, for so many people. So it's a privilege to just be a part of that. My name's Fenton McCarthy. I'm a cardiothoracic surgeon at Providence. I have expertise in treating conditions that affect the heart and the aorta. One thing I always say is that, you know, we're humans taking care of humans. And so to me, I think that the more that I can find the humanity in my patients and in their families, and the more that they can see that in me and the entire team that's taking care of them, I think that that gives patients the most comfort. I think it provides the most empathy, the most understanding. What I really enjoy and why I do what I do is because of the opportunity to really take my expertise and the expertise of the whole team at Sacred Heart in order to deliver and get good outcomes and look after our patients and treat them in a real holistic way so that they understand, you know, that they're a person and we care deeply about them and their whole family, and we're not happy unless they get the absolute best out of their experience with us.